Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are absolutely welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming in. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to test your yeast if it is still active, if your yeast is still alive. This is a recipe or a step you don't want to miss, because you can save yourself a lot of money by doing this simple step. If your yeast is dead, you cannot use it for your dough, it would not rise. So this is just a simple trick on how to know if your yeast is still active. You can see how bubbling it is. This is how your yeast should look. So let us get right into the video. So here I have my cup, my yeast and my sugar. This is my lukewarm water that I am using, and after my lukewarm water I'll go with my sugar and stir a bit before I add my yeast to the water mixture. So right now I'm going in with my yeast. So you can see this is how your yeast should look like. So just pour it in and give it a quick stir. Yes, you can give it a quick stir, then just keep it in a warm place in your kitchen. For my place, the warmest place in my store is my oven, so I just kept it in my oven for 5 to 10 minutes, and I'm going to show you how it should look like after 10 minutes or 5 minutes to 10 minutes. It should be fluffy and it should be nice. I'll show you what it should look. So this is how it looked after stirring it. So I'm just going to pop it into my oven without owning it. Just pop it into my oven and allow it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, this is how my yeast looked like. This is how you would know if your yeast is still active. If it is like this, then you are free to use it. You are good to go. But if you don't get this result, please and please, it is better for you to discard that yeast and get new one instead of you wasting a whole lot of money on it. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.